Y'all know I love steaks in the 50% off meat section, so I found a ribeye and a New York strip. I'm going to make these for Babe and I. Let your steaks sit at room temperature for 30 minutes to an hour. Cover them with salt and pepper. I'm also going to make asparagus for me. He doesn't particularly care for it. I cut the ends off. I'm going to cover it with some olive oil. Garlic pepper seasoning always. You're going to want to preheat your oven to 425. I also added a little bit of lemon juice. I love lemon juice. Toss to coat. Make sure all the flavors mix in and your asparagus doesn't stick to the pan. Next, cast iron, medium-high heat. Melt some butter. You can also add coconut oil. We are going to sear the steaks for 2 to 2.5 minutes per side. You're going to want the side to get nice and brown. After 2 minutes, flip them. You're going to cook it for another 2.5 minutes, depending on how you like your steaks done. And then I added some garlic cloves. You can add as many as you want. Also some rosemary from a rosemary bush. I add the garlic towards the end so it doesn't burn. Burned garlic is nasty. These are my sprigs of rosemary. If you don't like rosemary, then just do the garlic. Also, I had some thyme left over from another recipe. Don't even remember what it was, but I'm going to add this. These herb steaks are really aesthetically pleasing. I love gorgonzola. My partner does not care for it, so I'm going to put copious amounts of gorgonzola on my ribeye because it's my favorite. You finish these in the oven, 425 for about 5 minutes. After that, let them rest covered for 5 minutes. And this is what these are going to look like. Here is my asparagus. This is my darling's New York strip with the herbs and garlic. This is mine covered in gorgonzola. You can also add the butter from the pan. Super delicious. I like to pour this over both of my steaks because yum. Anyway, this is a great idea for a date night. We do not have a grill, so I always make my steaks in the cast iron, and they are just as good. Anyway, please like and follow for more. I hope y'all have a great day.